Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a closer look at an accessory bundle kit from HSU company offering up to 60 accessories in a single package. So here it is guys, this is HSU Accessory Bundle Kit, which comes in a hard shirt travel case such as this one, and I think that this accessory can be especially helpful for you if you're just starting out, you just get your camera, so you don't know what accessories to get, or you simply want to save some money with it. As a GoPro accessories can be quite expensive, and for the price like 1 or 2 accessories from GoPro, you can have like a whole lot of them. So is it worth to buy 16-in-1 accessory bundles such as this one? Well, let's take a look inside and see for yourself. So what exactly do we have inside of this package? A chest mount for a hands-free POV angle recording from your chest. We can also find a head strap for a first-person view perspective when you mount your camera to your head. We can also find a long and short plastic extensions that can be used with other GoPro accessories. So for example, you can use that on your helmet or on your head strap to get that immersive POV angle. We can also find a bike mount that can be used, for example, on a handlebar of your bicycle or perhaps on your motorbike. We can also find a floating hand grip with an adjustable lanyard. And we can also find a backpack clip. So we can clip this accessory to your backpack strap or maybe your belt to get that unique hands-free POV shot. We also have a suction cap mount that can be used to attach your GoPro to a smooth surface. So you can use your camera as a dash cam and you can apply it to the windscreen, the front door glass or any other smooth surface. And there's also a mini tripod with some flexible legs, so you can use it for a time-lapse or as a camera grip. We also have a wrist strap so you can attach your camera to it and take a photo or record a video and still enjoy your activity. We can also find 4 curved and 2 flat adhesive mounts that can be used to attach your GoPro to any flat or curved surface. We also have 4 sticky adhesives with a tether at the end, so you can attach it to your GoPro, and if your main sticky adhesive is gonna fail, this one can be used as a safety precaution so you don't lose your camera. We also have 2 adhesive mounts that can be used to attach your GoPro to a surfboard or a kayak. And we also have anti-fog inserts that can be put inside of your waterproof housing to prevent your lens from fogging. And lots of other accessories such as the J-hook, quick release mount, GoPro adapter, other camera adapter, some extensions and thumb screws. That's a lot, guys. And let's not forget that everything comes in a hard-shell travel case so you can store your camera and other accessories and protect it. Additionally, at the very top, we have a very big mesh pocket with a zipper on it so we can store our screws and other extensions so we don't lose it or scratch our equipment. So as you just seen, there is a whole lot of accessories already inside of this package, and the whole accessory bundle kit costs like $60, and if you get it on a discount, maybe it's gonna cost you like $45. Obviously guys, an accessory bundle such as this one doesn't necessarily come with the best of the best accessories that are out there. If you take a look, for example, at the wrist strap accessory, it actually looks quite cheap, especially if you compare it to the original GoPro accessories, but it gets the job done. I also think that something like that gonna help you get started pretty fast, because when you are starting out, you buy a first camera, you don't have many accessories with you, and maybe you don't want to pay a lot of money up front for it just to see whether you like it or not. Or maybe all you just want is to record some casual videos with your family on your family trips, so you don't need the best accessories for it. I also think that it's gonna help you, especially in the beginning, to get some experience with it, because you can play with it, try new things, new configurations, new angles. And it can also save you some money in the process, because GoPro accessories are quite expensive, even if you get it on a discount. And I guess that over time, when you get the necessary experience and you see for yourself which accessories you like the most, you can get the original ones for yourself. Okay guys, so what do you think about an accessory bundle such as this one? Do you think it's worth it? Or perhaps it's better to save some money and get the original one instead? Let me know about it in the comment section below. And for today guys, I think that's it. If you like this content and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it, then all I can ask you is to give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss all my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!